This is the best air fryer chicken nugget recipe that is easy and your whole family's gonna love it. These are so much better than those store-bought nuggets. Not saying there's anything wrong with those. I have had plenty of those in my life as a mom of 5, but these are amazing, and with pantry-friendly ingredients, they're super easy to make. Plus, I have a super tasty sauce that you're gonna wanna stick around and check out. But let's get started today on the Stay at Home Chef. Here's what you'll need. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that you're going to trim and cube into bite-sized pieces, or nugget-sized pieces, I should say. Then we're going to be using 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of melted butter, which I've just popped into the microwave for about 20 seconds. To start, mix together the breadcrumbs, parmesan cheese, basil, oregano, and the salt, and mix that all together. Dip the chicken pieces into the melted butter, and then roll them into the breadcrumb mixture and press to really coat. Once you've pressed that mixture in, go ahead and place them on a pan or a plate. Go ahead and wash up and get rid of any leftover mixture, and then preheat your air fryer to 390, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, however hot that will get. Then carefully place the chicken into the basket, making sure that there is space in between each piece. If you need to, cook the chicken in batches. It just depends on how big your air fryer is. Spray the chicken with cooking oil, which you gotta do to get that crispy fried-like exterior. And bake this for 8 to 9 minutes. Go ahead and flip that chicken halfway through that cooking process. What we want for that chicken is to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is cooking, it's time to whip up what I call crazy good comeback sauce, because you'll be coming back for more. In a bowl, we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/8 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of stone ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and then cracked pepper to your preference. And something I love to add to my comeback sauce is a little bit of liquid smoke, just a little bit, but it's totally optional. Give that a stir and mix that until all the ingredients are well combined. This sauce is so good, it smells amazing. Go ahead and cover that and pop it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Those dried flavors we put in there will develop as the time goes on. I recommend making a double batch because it's so good. For anything that you like dipping, this is the sauce for you. Now you've got your chicken nuggets and a delicious sauce, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.